Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back guys again with me, Ifdal, in If Talks, Ifdal Talks. Uh, as usual, I will talk in English, but I'm not doing it because I'm fluently speaking in English, but I'm learning. I want to learn to talk in English, right? With this series of video. So today I'm gonna talk about Sumatra's fault that happens in end of November 2025 this year, and I will talk about how the politicians see about this accident and why they choose to do what they done in their in this flood, right? Okay, as usual, I will show you my Google Translate in here because maybe I want to speak in English, but I don't know what's the word, so I'm using this Google Translate so that you know what I want to say, that I want to translate it to English, right? Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so the flood happens at the end of November 2025 in three provinces in Indonesia, that is Aceh and North Sumatra or Sumatra Utara, and West Sumatra or Sumatra Barat, right? The most impacted area is the kabupaten. What is kabupaten in English? I'm gonna kabupaten. Kabupaten. Is that regency? Okay, regency. Okay, it's city, right? Like it's like a city. It's not regency. It's like city. City in Aceh, that is Aceh Tamiang. Aceh Tamiang, right? Okay, Aceh Tamiang. This area is the most impacted and the most severed location with the flood because the access here is severed, so that water access and land access is we cannot access the land access and the water access. We cannot go to this particular area, and I don't know why, but the government just recently reached this area, maybe in the last week, maybe like 2 weeks after the incident, by a helicopter. So it's an area access, right? Air access, right? From the air with a helicopter, and that's why and it's like flood. We're gonna see the images in here. There are several trucks in here. If you search in social media, there especially in very Irwandi social media, there will be trucks and cars in everywhere in their roads. It's like a zombie city, and it's very memprihatinkan. What is memprihatinkan in English? Memprihatinkan, worrying, and it's very worrying, right? It's very bad in there. Okay, so but I don't want to discuss about Aceh Tamiang. I want to discuss about how the politicians react with this. You know that the government is very slow to react with this accident because until now the status on this bencana disaster is not in national disaster. It's still in regional disaster. It's province the disasters, not in national disaster. So that's why the national capital doesn't flow to help this disaster. Maybe just a little, like bantuan kepresidenan bantuan kepresidenan presidential assistance to these disasters, right? There are several several bags of rice that sent by the president, and I mean literally sent by president, because there are a photo of Prabowo in the bags. Yeah, you will see in the bantuan presiden Prabowo. Yeah, there's no news in here, but I saw in social media that there are bags or maybe karung in Indonesia that have photos of Prabowo Subianto in here in there. I don't know why, but uh, and also Zulkifli Hasan memanggul beras. Yeah, here you see that it's Zulkifli Hasan, ex forestry minister at the SBY era or Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono era, before Jokowi era, right? He had visited by Harrison Ford, an actor that have an focus in environment issue, and Harrison Ford interviewed him as the forestry minister back then to ask about the deforestation in Sumatra or maybe in Kalimantan. I don't know, but which one. But yeah, either way, Zulkifli Hasan just laughed by the question. I don't know, maybe he just doesn't understand the question, because I don't know, maybe his English is he don't understand what the Harrison Ford saying or I said back then. And then that particular video, this one, Harrison Ford, yeah, this particular video become the sensational in social media because of this flood. This flood in Sumatra doesn't just produce water, many water, but produce many logs that has been cut before, has been cut before, has been ditebang, right? Ditebang. What is ditebang? Cut down. It has been cut down before the flood, and yeah, we call it this for deforestation in Sumatra. And with the negative sentiment in social media, Zulkifli Hasan is trying to fix his image by carrying a bag of rice to the victims in this flood. Pengungsi, refugees, yeah. To the refugees in this in this flood, right, in Sumatra. And then another politician in Indonesia that using a jacket, like, I don't know, like a police jacket, you know, the rompi anti peluru, like vest, yeah, bulletproof vest in a disaster area. I don't know why he using that. Di banjir Sumatera. Nah, he's the one. I don't know why he's using that. It looks like he just want to seek an attention from the public, right? Because he just goes there. He just went there and then point something at the flood like this, and then like this. It's become sensational in social media because it doesn't make sense why he use a bulletproof vest in the disaster area. Yeah, I don't know why. So what I want to discuss today is why the politician is went there and doing something that unnecessary to the penanggulangan. What is penanggulangan? Penanggulangan, the countermeasure of the disaster, like maybe they want to give the refugees a bags of rice, right? Or maybe another help, like clothes or maybe food or something else, right? But they did, it's something like they want to seek an attention, they want to be a main actor, they want to be the good person, right? Is despite of the maybe negative sentiments like Zulkifli Hasan had because of the Harrison Ford interview, right? That's because the politicians, they have a political agenda with their visit. It's my opinion, right? They have their own agenda, and I I thought about this because, and I have the idea because I watch the content of Panji Pragiwaksono in his YouTube channel, in his what is rubric? Yeah, in his Sila rubric, you have to watch it about the how the government is gelagapan, stuttering. They are also stuttering to do the countermeasure of this flood. This disaster, right? So Panji said that if you want to gain some help from the politician to this disaster, you have to align your agenda with their own agenda, right? Because they have their own agenda, and you have to align with their own agenda. And with that with that statement, I'm thinking back again, what is the politician agenda? What is the biggest agenda that they want to do in their political career, right? And then I th- I have a revelation. What is revelation? Yeah, pencerahan, right? That most of them are the politicians that have been voted by the people of Indonesia, and in the electoral agenda, right? Agenda politik, what is it? Agenda pemilu, agenda pemilihan umum. Yeah, general election agenda, like the how we choose our representative in DPR, Dewan Perwakilan Rakyat, right? And yeah, we voted for them. The Indonesian people voted for them. So the biggest agenda is how they can be voted in the next election. Okay, so it's like an electoral agenda. They just want to be elected for the next election, right? And maybe I'm mengkerdilkan. Nah, I'm just what is it? Membuat ini hanya mengecilkan agenda ini, mengecilkan. What is? I made this big political agenda very small with the electoral agenda maybe, but just to be fair, right? They want to be elected, right? And they want to be how they can be elected and the next electoral agenda, right? Public electional agenda. So I have an experience in Lembaga Survei Politik, Political Survey Institute, when I was a fresh graduate. And in the survey, we always surveyed about the how many percent samples we will be voted for a candidate. Maybe there will be three candidates, right? Candidate 1, candidate 2, and candidate 3. How many percent the sample will be voted for the candidate 1? How many sample will be voted for the candidate 2 and candidate 3? Or something like that. But other than that, we will survey about the popularity and the likability. Kesukaan. What is kesukaan? Kedisukaan. I don't know. Is it a word? I don't know. So how they can be liked by the by the people, right? So it's like likability, how they can be liked by the people, and how the people sees them, right? You can be a popular, but maybe the most people are not like are dislike you. Yeah, the word is not coming back. uh, Rakyat tidak suka dengan kamu. People don't like you, right? So maybe people don't like you. You can be a popular person, but maybe people don't like you. For example, it's a fictional character, right? You know the what is principal Umbridge principal, Harry Potter. You know her, right? Yeah. This is a villain. I don't know. Is she a villain? I don't know. She is a villain in the Harry Potter novel and also in the movies, right? And many people are don't like her, right? Because the character is so very infuriating for them. Ya, ya, it's just mengesalkan lah. What is mengesalkan? Beef, yeah, Fred and facts or something like that lah. It's very unlikable character in the movie and also in the novel, right? But this character, this particular character, Dolores Umbridge, is very popular. So you can be popular, but people maybe don't like you. So how they can be popular? How the politicians can be popular? They have to be in the media, maybe in digital media, or maybe social media, or maybe in what is mainstream media, in TV and newspaper and something like that, right? They have to be mentioned in the TV. They have to be mentioned. They have to be shown to be appearance. What is it? Tampil, show. They have to be many appearances in the in TV, right? So that people knows them. People knows their face, knows their name, something like that. That's why they want a publicity. That's why often they use something that doesn't very regular or maybe usual, right? And that's also why celebrity politician is very high. It's have high chances to be elected in the electoral agenda. Like Eko Patrio, or maybe who artist politisi. No, artis politisi. Ya, Eko Pratio, Krisdayanti, Ahmad Dhanis waifu is that, Mulan Jamila, Rieke Diah Pitaloka, cuma but Rieke Diah Pitaloka have very high intelligence. She's a very good she's a very good representative of the people. Desi Ratnasari, Pasha Ungu, he's the mayor of in Palu, I think, in Sulawesi, Celebes, right? I don't know his career right now, and many others like Uya Kuya, something like that. So there are many celebrity artists in Indonesia that have been elected as the representatives of the people, maybe as the mayor or maybe as the governor also. Yeah, Deddy Mizwar, right? Deddy Mizwar in West Java, and then also in the DPR or the people representative. So why they have been elected, and why they have an easier way to be elected, because they have the popularity. People know them. I mean, who doesn't know Eko Patrio, right? So after you have been popular in Indonesia, you have to be kamu harus disukai, you have to be liked by the people, right? So that's why Zulkifli Hasan is carrying a bag of rice on his shoulder, right? he want to be portrayed as the hero in this, as the hero, as the good person, because oh look me, I'm carrying a bag for the refugees in here, yeah, something like that. Or maybe like Jokowi, you know, he went to Seward before the election of 2014, and he elected because of that, mainly because of that, because with he went to into the sewer, it portray that he is maybe merakyat. What is merakyat in English? Oh, I don't know. It's like he's one of the people, right? Merakyat. He's one of the people. He's like any other people. He's not he's not an official government, or maybe distance, very someone that very distant from the other, from the regular people, something like that. He's just like us. Yeah, he was just like us. He want to portray that, and yeah, that's why the politician have to be shown as a sincere person, a caring person, and merakyat. What is merakyat in English? I don't know why. Merakyat, or show that he or she are the people. He or she is the people, right? After that, if the people like them, if the people and yeah, just like Umbridge, the Dolores Umbridge, you can be popular, but the people maybe don't like you. So you have to be popular, and you have to be liked by the people. Okay. After that, you if the people knows you, if the people like you, then you can be create an campaigns, or maybe something like a popularity campaign to the people to gain their voting, right? That's why maybe in Indonesia there is a term that is belusukan, visiting here, something, visiting the people in their area, or maybe if you are if you join the presidential election, so you have to visiting all the province in Indonesia, right? And you have to greeted the people in the area, or maybe you just want to be an elected in West Java, or maybe East Java, or maybe Center Java, or maybe in Jakarta, so you have to visiting all the people in the region and the area, right? Yeah. So that's how you gain the vote. So Zulkifli Hasan and the politician that have what is it, bulletproof face, or someone who what, yeah, like Prabowo, he literally put his photo in the rice bags. I don't know how. I don't know. I don't know how he can think about that. I mean, come on, he's a president, right? Why? I don't. Just okay. So yeah, that's the reason why. Maybe he want to be an elected as the president again in the 2029. I don't know. Yeah. So that's the agenda, right? So the politician want to be shown, want to be popular, and want to be liked by the people. And then after that, they hope they can be voted at the next election agenda, like maybe in 2029. So yeah, that's my take with the why the politicians in Sumatera's blood like doing something irregular, irregular this kelakuan, perilaku, yeah, irregular behavior in their visits to the Sumatera's flood. And then yeah, it's just my 2 cents. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just mengkerdilkan these matters, but I think it's very makes sense. Yeah. It's very reasonable say that they want to be elected, so they want to gain a popularity, then to gain the favorability from the people. Then after that, they hope they can be elected in the next political agenda. So what about you? Is it right, or maybe there are something there's other factors to how why they do the irregular behaviors in this disaster? Make sure you comment this, or maybe you can like this video, or maybe you can dislike this video if you don't like this video, right? Okay, see you in the next video. See ya.